Well, assalamu alaikum. Hi, guys. Well, today, Malik and Malik off to an adventure. Hopefully, it's going to be epic, inshallah, God willing. Anyway, going to put some of the stuff in the car, and here we go. Assalamu alaikum सब देखने वालों को मैंने कहा मलिक आज कहीं जा रहे हैं सरप्राइज़ है देखते जाइए हमारे साथ रहिए दुआ कीजिए और मिलते हैं सफ़र के साथ गाड़ी में सामान रखेंगे अभी going to put the stuff in the car. Let's go. Might come in handy. Tripod. Picnic time. All the things here. Always keep duct tape with you. So that's it. That's it. That's okay, we are about halfway through. We go to Snowdonia National Park in Wales, in the UK, and halfway through, so got another about 1 hour 15 minutes to reach Snowdonia. However, in the middle, I thought it's best to pray times is due. So we never know how we can end up the next second. So we always have to remember the entity there. Keep him happy, so he looks after us. So I'm just going to pray here and we'll carry on our journey. I'm trying to focus the camera as we go on and as we're driving. Right, we're going to be soon entering the real place where we are going to actually do some further photography and show you the place where we're heading. I'm looking forward to this since a long time, so let's hope it's something that is good and we get to like, and hope you like it too. So catch you in a bit. So we see the first signs of what we are looking for: scenery and the sea. The two S's I like the most. Let me be your host. So just to give you an idea where we are. Well, we just actually, as you can see, stopped at this small services station here. Just grabbed myself a coffee. And see, look at that. Isn't that bird beautiful? And if you could just show you a glimpse on this side, there's a mountain there. And if I keep turning, there's the sea. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on that bridge over there. See there? And take some shots from there and show you the landscape. So that is the idea. And see what things are around here to get a 360 perspective. So you get the full picture and see where we are. And I get to see my bearings as well. So let's go there. Okay. So I'm going to meet you at the far corner of that small pedestrian bridge there. So I'm going to go my way. But here it was me, so you just follow me. If I can show you around, what's on this side. It's pretty windy. I want to fly. Anyway, before that, let me show you. Look at the beautiful scenery on this side. Railway track. And there's a mountain over there. And if you look at that, green water. Isn't that beautiful? Keep following all the way around. And this is the place now, over there, as you can see now. That's where we came from Birmingham. And we stopped right there at the garage right now. And we're going to be going on the opposite direction. So we're going to be going that way now. So let's go now to the beach. What I want to do is leave my footprint on this sand. So it's basically saying that I was here. It's going to be washed away, but never mind. Let's go. So that was me. Okay, let's now try to fly the drone if we can, but it's pretty windy because even on myself, look at that. So let's see how it goes. So here is our hotel in Wales, and we have reached our destination, the Celtic Hotel. If you look at there. So just gonna park up here now. To check in, and I'll see you at the lobby. Okay, well, let's check it now. Right, going to our room now. Right, room number 120. Follow. 127? 120 that side? 120, where are you? Here we go. Wow. Look at that. So, I'm gonna, basically, you know what's gonna happen now, yeah? The bed test right at the start, not to waste any time. So, I think I'll do it here, yeah? Okay. Never to ruin the beds. Respect.